Hi guys. In this video we are going to see how my trade went for the day. So basically I've started doing option selling and we'll take a look at why I have taken such a trade. So first let me go on to the option chain. So I basically use the free version of Obstra Analyticals, and here we can see that there's a high put writing and over here at the rate 19,000, and also we can see that there is an increase in put writing at 19,250, and there's also increase in chain, there's also increase in OI, and also we can see that here the put OI has decreased. So that means so basically it's like the put sellers are increasing over here, and call writings have decreased. So and then we have a huge open interest at 19,500, and also we have a small increase in OI, like people have increased over here. So this is for the date just again, this is for the date on 6th July. So the expiry is on coming Thursday on 6th July. And also we can see that the max pin they have mentioned is 19,250. So based on this understanding, based on this range, I've sold put option and call option. So what I've sold is 19,000 call and put option I've sold, and then also I've sold 19,700 C and P. So basically it's like a range. So my range will be from, I'll just open the chart. So my range, since I do weekly trades, my range will be from, one sec, yeah, yeah, 19,700 to 19,000. So as long as the money is inside this range, I'll be in profit. I'll be in profit. And that too only on expiry day. Let's say on expiry day the money goes or the index goes over this range or this range, I'll be in a loss. So here we can see that the price is inside the range, so because of which we are able to get such profit. So here this has given profit. Forget about this one I was just trying for an intraday trade. I was just trying on new strategies, but I had a loss of almost 200 rupees. But these are basically the trade that I took based on my understandings from the options chart. So here based on this spike and here also increase. So since I don't want to take much risk, so that's why I didn't take 19,500. I took 19,700. So I took a longer range. So we'll be able to see the analytics. So if you click on analyze over here, you can see some information. I'll just show you. Let it open. And yeah, here we go. So what it says here is the maximum profit I'll make is 2,500, and also in option selling we have unlimited risk, and this is my break even 18,975 and 19,725. So as long as the money is in or the index is in this range, so as long as the money or the index is in this range, we'll be in profit. If it is at the break even, it means I'll be in neither profit nor loss. Okay. So yeah, here basically we can see the, so here using this we'll be able to find out during which day what will the profit at end of the day. So basically if you see, Okay, I think I have to take the premium for this. So I think I'll do over here. Yeah. So so this is basically, yeah. It is on right now. We are on Tuesday, right? Yeah. So if the money is, if tomorrow, that is Tuesday on July 4th, if the price is ending over here, then we'll be in the profit of 1,750. So if you increase the date, so on Wednesday it will be in a profit of 2,428, and finally 2,548. So basically, I'm thinking of on Wednesday night itself, I'll close the profit because another 100 rupees. Why we need to wait? So I'll try to book my profit if we're in profit on Wednesday. So and here also we are able to see the percentage, the probability of profit. So it's almost a good trade. 90%, almost 90% chances that to get this trade. So this is the trade that I've taken today. So I'll post the update again on my next, again on tomorrow. And also here also we are able to see the option OI data. So here on 19,000 we have a high put rating, and again on 19,300 we have a high call rating as well as put rating, and again on 19,500 a huge call rating. So based on this only that I've wanted to increase my range, so that's why I put 19,700 and 19,000 as my um, the borders on based on my so that as long as the money is in that range, I'll be in profit at the end of the expiry date. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.